Is Atticus a one-time payment, or will you find yourself on a recurring financial treadmill? That's a question many of you are asking, and it's a crucial one when you're investing in tools for your writing career. We've all been there, lured in by an attractive upfront price, only to discover a hidden subscription lurking in the fine print. It's the digital equivalent of buying a car and then finding out you have to pay monthly for the tires. Frustrating, right? Especially for authors and content creators who often operate on tight budgets and need predictable expenses. For writers, the tools we use are more than just software. They're extensions of our craft. They help us outline, draft, edit, format, and ultimately publish our work. And in a world where every penny counts, understanding the cost structure of these tools isn't just about saving money. It's about financial sustainability for your creative enterprise. Think about it. If you're planning to write multiple books, or even just one really long one, unexpected recurring costs can seriously eat into your royalties or worse, make a valuable tool financially unfeasible in the long run. This isn't just about Atticus either. It's about the broader landscape of author software. From Scrivener to Vellum, ProWriting Aid to Grammarly, each tool has its own pricing model. Some are one-time purchases, offering lifetime access with major updates often included or available for a discounted upgrade. Others are subscription-based, providing continuous access and updates as long as you keep paying. There are pros and cons to both. A subscription can offer continuous development and cloud-based features, while a one-time payment provides a sense of ownership and long-term cost predictability. So, where does Atticus fit into this spectrum? Is it a single investment that empowers you for years to come? Or is it a recurring commitment that you'll need to factor into your monthly or annual budget? The answer to this question isn't just about the number on a price tag. It's about the value proposition, the long-term benefit, and how it aligns with your financial planning as an author. Knowing this upfront can save you a lot of headaches, and potentially a good chunk of change down the line. It allows you to make an informed decision, one that considers not just your immediate needs but your long-term publishing goals. Let's cut to the chase and address the core question. Is Atticus a one-time payment? Yes, Atticus is a one-time payment. This is one of its most significant selling points and a major differentiator in the crowded market of author software. When you purchase Atticus, you are making a single upfront payment. There are no recurring monthly or annual subscription fees to worry about. This means you gain lifetime access to the software, including all future updates and new features, without any additional cost. This is a huge advantage for authors. Think about the peace of mind that comes with knowing your writing and formatting tool is a fixed cost. You don't have to factor in an ongoing expense into your book budget. This can be especially beneficial for independent authors who are often managing their entire publishing business, from writing and editing to marketing and accounting. Predicting your expenses accurately is crucial for sustained success. Let's delve a little deeper into what this one-time payment actually entails. When you buy Atticus, you're not just getting the current version. You're buying into the ecosystem. This means that as the developers at Atticus continue to refine the software, add new functionalities, improve existing ones, and adapt to changes in publishing platforms, you will automatically receive these updates. This isn't always the case with one-time payment software. Sometimes, major version upgrades require an additional purchase or a discounted upgrade fee. With Atticus, the commitment is truly to lifetime access and updates. Consider the long-term value. If you plan to write multiple books over several years, a subscription-based service, while initially appearing cheaper on a monthly basis, can quickly add up to a significant sum. Over a 5-year period, for example, a $15 per month subscription would cost you $900. In contrast, Atticus's one-time payment model positions it as a long-term investment that actually saves you money over time, especially if you're a prolific writer or plan to have a long career as an author. This payment model also fosters a different relationship between the user and the software. Instead of feeling like you're perpetually renting a tool, you own it. This sense of ownership can be incredibly empowering. It means you can integrate Atticus seamlessly into your workflow without the nagging thought of an upcoming bill. It allows you to focus purely on your writing and formatting, knowing that your tool is a reliable, permanent fixture in your author toolkit. Now, it's important to understand that while Atticus is a one-time payment for the software itself, There are other services an author might use that are subscription-based. For example, if you use a grammar checker like Grammarly Premium or a design tool with a monthly fee, those would be separate expenses. Atticus focuses on the core functions of writing, editing, and professional-grade formatting. Its one-time payment covers all of those features, present and future. This commitment to a one-time payment model reflects a philosophical choice by the Atticus team. They understand the financial realities of independent authors and aim to provide a powerful, yet affordable, solution that doesn't burden users with recurring costs. This approach builds trust and loyalty within the author community, as it demonstrates a genuine understanding of their needs. In essence, Atticus offers simplicity and predictability in its pricing. You pay once and you're set. No hidden fees, no escalating costs, no unexpected charges. This transparency is incredibly refreshing in an industry often filled with complex pricing structures and opaque terms. It allows you to budget effectively and confidently invest in a tool that will support your writing journey for years to come. So, if you've been wondering about the cost structure of Atticus, rest assured. It's a one-time payment for lifetime access and updates. This makes it an incredibly cost-effective solution for authors looking for a robust writing and formatting tool without the burden of ongoing subscription fees. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.